Hello everyone, a blissful morning all. Today I am gonna teach you numbers. The numbers which means singular and plural, right? Singular and plural. What is singular and what is plural? Look here, a noun that stands for only one person, animal, place, thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, boy, bird, apple, right? So what is plural? A noun that stands for more than one person, right? A noun that stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. Okay, so for example, boys, birds, apples, right? Here there are some more examples, so that I will explain you later. Come here. These are the things you have to memory all the things. Okay, when I comes in singular, how to change in plural? I into we, you in plural also you, he in plural they, she plural they, it plural they, is plural are, this plural these, that plural those. Please memory this. Okay, and look here, singular or plural? Singular. She wants this dog, right? She wants this dog. Okay, here the word, the noun is no. Here if they used any name, right? If they used any name, you can say that is a noun, right? But here they have used a pronoun she. Here they used a pronoun she. What is the plural form for she? Just now we have studied, no? Yeah, what is the plural form for she? Yeah, exactly, that is they. Exactly, that is they. So how to change this sentence? She wants this dog. When you write this same sentence in plural form, you have to write they want these dogs. Okay, this is a singular, so these only plural. Okay, then dog is a singular, dogs is a plural. Understand? So look at the next slide. The plural form of words: noun, determiners, pronoun, verbs. Okay, here each and everything they have given an example. So in noun, ant, plural ants. In determiners, this. In plural, these. Pronoun, she, plural, they. Verbs, singular, knows, plural, know. Okay, and before you do all the exercise, you have to go through this slide. Before you do the exercise, you should go through this slide. Here I have given the rules. I have given the rules for the numbers, that is singular and plural. Please go through all the things, then you move to the exercise. Okay, yeah, the next slide is noun can be. Okay, the noun can be singular or plural. The noun can be singular or plural. For example, horse. Horse is a noun, isn't it? It's a name of an animal. It's a noun. It can be a singular and also be a plural. Horse, horses. Form, forms. Woman, women. Poster, posters. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Person, people. Foot, feet. Okay, yeah, look at the next slide. Here I have given the one more table for plural nouns. Okay, when a noun ends with a letter, CH, okay, you have to add ES with it. You have to add ES with it. Here I have underlined all. No, please go through this and try to do the exercise. If the noun ends with the letter Y, If the noun ends with a letter Y, you have to cut the Y and add IES. If it is end with F or FE, you have to cut the two things and have to add VES. And here there are some irregular nouns also there. Irregular nouns, which means it will change totally. Okay, it will change totally. For example, child into children, women, women, mouse, mice, goose, geese, deer, deer, tooth, teeth, moose, moose, man, men. Okay, yeah, look at the next slide. Here also the same. I have given few more examples. Please go through this examples also, right? Yeah, look at the next slide. Here there are some irregular plural nouns. There are some irregular plural nouns. These nouns you have to memory. Okay, so child, when it comes to plural, you have to write children, woman, women, man, men, goose, geese, mouse, mice, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, cactus, cacti, person, people, ox, oxen. Got it? And my dear buddies, here I have given the 8 plural noun rules. Please go through this and start to do the exercise. Okay? Yes, thank you, my dear. Catch you soon.